Hello, beautiful yogis. Welcome to this transformative journey where we will explore the depths of yoga together. Whether you're stepping onto the mat for the first time or revisiting your practice, this session is designed to nurture your body, mind, and spirit. Welcome to this 10-minute beginner yoga routine. This practice is a gentle introduction to the world of yoga, offering you a chance to connect with your breath and body in a meaningful way. This practice is perfect for increasing flexibility and finding deep relaxation. As we move through each pose, you'll feel the tension melt away, leaving you with a sense of peace and tranquility. No experience is needed, just an open heart and a willingness to move. Yoga is for everyone, regardless of age, size, or fitness level. All you need is a mat and a quiet space where you can focus on yourself. In this short but powerful session, we'll gently awaken our bodies with simple warm-ups. These movements are designed to prepare your muscles and joints for the poses ahead, ensuring a safe and effective practice. Then we'll flow through a sequence of beginner-friendly poses. Each pose will be demonstrated with clear instructions so you can follow along with ease. Remember, it's not about perfection, but about finding what feels good in your body. Each movement is designed to release tension and increase flexibility. As you stretch and strengthen your muscles, you'll also be improving your balance and coordination. Take your time and enjoy the process. Remember to move at your own pace and honor your body's limits. Yoga is a personal journey, and it's important to listen to your body and respect its boundaries. If something doesn't feel right, feel free to modify or skip the pose. Listen to your breath as we embark on this journey together. Your breath is your guide, helping you to stay present and centered. With each inhale, inviting calm and clarity. With each exhale, release any stress or tension. Are you ready? Let's begin. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Feel the ground beneath you and the space around you. Let's start this beautiful practice together. Before we dive into the yoga poses, let's warm up our muscles with some easy movements. Warming up is essential as it helps to increase blood flow to the muscles, making them more pliable and less prone to injury. It also prepares the mind, creating a bridge between the busyness of daily life and the calm focus required for yoga practice. By starting with gentle movements, we ease into the practice, allowing our body to gradually adapt to the upcoming stretches and poses. These gentle exercises will prepare our body for deeper stretches. They help to awaken the muscles and joints, ensuring that we can move with greater ease and comfort. As we engage in these warm-up exercises, we also begin to tune into our breath, synchronizing our movements with each inhale and exhale. This connection between breath and movement is a fundamental aspect of yoga, promoting a sense of mindfulness and presence. Next stretch. Start by sitting comfortably. Find a position where you can sit tall, with your spine elongated and your shoulders relaxed. This initial posture sets the tone for the stretch, allowing you to focus on the sensation in your neck without any unnecessary tension in the rest of your body. Gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. As you do this, keep your shoulders level and avoid lifting them towards your ears. Feel the stretch along the left side of your neck and breathe deeply into the sensation. This stretch helps to release tension that often accumulates in the neck and shoulders, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting or working at a computer. Hold for a few breaths, feeling a stretch in the left side of your neck. With each breath, try to relax a little more into the stretch, allowing the muscles to lengthen and release. Notice if there are any areas of tightness or discomfort, and use your breath to gently ease those sensations. Repeat on the other side. Slowly bring your head back to center and then tilt it to the left, bringing your left ear towards your left shoulder. Again, keep your shoulders relaxed and level and breathe deeply into the stretch. This balanced approach ensures that both sides of your neck receive equal attention, promoting symmetry and alignment in your body. Shoulder rolls. Circle your shoulders gently forward in a circular motion. Start with small circles, gradually increasing the size as your shoulders begin to loosen up. This movement helps to lubricate the shoulder joints, making them more flexible and ready for the poses to come. Repeat this movement 5 times. As you circle your shoulders, pay attention to any areas of tightness or restriction. Use your breath to help release these areas, exhaling as you complete each circle. Now reverse the direction, circling your shoulders backward. This reverse motion helps to balance the muscles around the shoulder joints, ensuring that they are equally prepared for the upcoming practice. This warms up the shoulder joints and releases tension. By the end of these shoulder rolls, you should feel a sense of ease and openness in your upper body, ready to move into more dynamic stretches and poses. Wrist circles. Extend your arms forward and circle your wrists clockwise for 5 rotations. This simple movement helps to increase the range of motion in your wrists, which is particularly important for poses that require weight bearing on the hands, such as downward dog or plank. Then switch directions and circle them counterclockwise. As you do this, try to keep your movements smooth and controlled, avoiding any jerky or abrupt motions. This helps to protect the delicate structures of the wrist and ensures that the warm-up is effective. This prepares your wrists for weight-bearing poses. By taking the time to warm up your wrists, you reduce the risk of strain or injury, allowing you to practice with confidence and ease. Now that we are warmed up, we can move on to the main yoga poses with a body that is ready and a mind that is focused. Now that our bodies are warm, we can begin to delve deeper into our practice. Warming up is essential as it prepares our muscles and joints for the movements ahead, reducing the risk of injury and enhancing our overall performance. Take a moment to feel the warmth spreading through your body, acknowledging the readiness of your muscles. Let's transition into our yoga flow. As we move, remember that yoga is not just about the physical postures, but also about connecting with your breath and finding a sense of inner peace. Each movement should be a reflection of your breath, flowing seamlessly from one pose to the next. Remember to breathe deeply and move with awareness. Deep breathing helps to oxygenate your body, calm your mind, and keep you present in the moment. As you inhale, feel the expansion in your chest and abdomen. As you exhale, let go of any tension or stress. Mountain pose, Tadasana. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. This pose is the foundation of all standing poses and helps to improve posture and balance. Imagine a string pulling you up from the crown of your head, elongating your spine. Ground down through your feet and feel your spine lengthen. Press evenly through all 4 corners of your feet, creating a stable base. This grounding helps you to feel connected to the earth and provides a sense of stability. Relax your shoulders and let your arms hang naturally by your side. This helps to release any tension in your upper body and allows for a more relaxed and open posture. Feel the openness in your chest and the ease in your shoulders. Take a deep breath in, feeling your chest expand. Exhale slowly, allowing your body to relax with each breath. This mindful breathing helps to center your mind and body, preparing you for the poses ahead. This is our home base, a place of strength and stability. Mountain pose is a reminder of our inner strength and the stability we can find within ourselves. It is a moment to pause, reflect, and connect with our inner selves. From mountain pose, we'll move into downward facing dog, then cobra pose. These poses help to stretch and strengthen different parts of the body, promoting flexibility and strength. Downward facing dog is great for lengthening the spine and opening the shoulders, while cobra pose helps to strengthen the back and open the chest. Finally, we'll finish with the flowing movement of cat-cow. This gentle flow helps to warm up the spine, improve flexibility, and release tension in the back. As you move through cat-cow, focus on the fluidity of your movements and the connection between your breath and your body. This practice is a beautiful way to end our session, leaving you feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. From mountain pose, step your feet back, creating an inverted V shape with your body. Press your hands firmly into the mat, shoulder width apart. Keep your spine straight and your heels reaching towards the ground. Breathe deeply, feeling a stretch in your hamstrings and calves. This pose strengthens your arms and legs while lengthening the spine. It also calms the mind and relieves stress. Cobra pose or Bhujangasana. From downward facing dog, lower your body onto your stomach. Place your hands under your shoulders, palms flat on the mat. Inhale and gently lift your chest off the ground, keeping your hips and legs grounded. Feel a stretch in your chest and shoulders. Gaze slightly upwards, keeping your neck long. Cobra pose strengthens the back muscles and opens the chest, improving posture and flexibility. It also stimulates the heart and lungs. Cat-cow pose, Batilasana Marjaryasana. From Cobra pose, push back into downward facing dog. Then come onto your hands and knees in a tabletop position. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. As you exhale, drop your belly towards the floor, lifting your chest and tailbone towards the ceiling like a cow. This dynamic flow improves spinal mobility and digestion. It also releases tension in the back, neck, and shoulders. Now that we've moved our bodies, it's time to wind down with some relaxing stretches. Lie down on your back with your arms by your sides, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, allowing your body to completely relax. We will end our practice with a gentle body scan. Bring your awareness to your toes. Notice any sensations. Slowly move your attention up through your feet, ankles, calves, and knees. Continue this mindful scan, traveling up your legs, through your torso, and all the way to your fingertips and crown of your head. Observe any areas of tension and gently invite them to soften. Body scanning promotes deep relaxation and body awareness. It helps to calm the nervous system and release stress. Congratulations on completing your 10-minute yoga practice. Remember, even a short session can have a positive impact on your mind and body. As you continue your yoga journey, listen to your body and honor its needs. Be patient, be kind to yourself, and enjoy the process of unfolding. Namaste.